We're back and we're better than ever. Guess what? I've just landed in Miami, the place where it all started back in 2014. Hill is back, I'm back, Steven's back, you're back.
Just picked up Paulo Barroso from the airport and it feels like the old school style is about to begin. My name's Steven Munson, the world traveler. I've been to 53 countries. I've worked full-time online for 15 years, and most of you know me from Heal, where we created something out of nothing. But my question for you is, imagine what we did with nothing, what's possible with everything. Right when I got this opportunity, I called Paulo Barroso and said, Paulo, something big is about to happen. We're gonna be doing big events, fly-ins. We got Vince and Eric building out the complete Heal dashboard, funnels, reels, brand new innovative things that are only existing because of AI, 85% commissions, a massive global company available in over 150 countries, life experiences, epic events. We have a lot of money behind us, a lot of leaders in place, a lot of momentum building, and all we're doing is reaching out so you can get started and get back into the community. This is the first of many videos that we're going to be sending you. Get back into the Heal Facebook community, dive into the Heal dashboard, let's make a lot of money, and let's have the biggest run of our lives. We're back.
Aren't you sick of promoting garbage? Because I certainly am. Having to start all over again, taking your people into a dead end, having to start a new promotion every 3 months. Guess what? It all ends today. I just got flown in from Italy. Special guest coming in tomorrow. I'm on the Florida tour for 7 days. Mark my words, let's lock arms.
You just heard from Paulo. He's the first person I called, flew in from Milan. We're about to go on a world tour. We're creating a documentary. Like he said, we have a special guest coming tomorrow. This is the best opportunity that I've ever been a part of. The first time he and I ever built or promoted something together, and we believe that this can change your life, give you financial freedom, give you breakthroughs and victory, have community success, and be part of something that's fun, exciting, with a purpose and a mission and a vision that'll change your life. You're gonna have to find us and reach out to us, reply to this email, or getting back into the community and join this movement while we're building and growing. The earlier you get in, the bigger this is gonna be. It's time to heal. Every second, every minute, every hour, and every day, it's on you.